Hey, it's Austin. Today is May 9th, 2019. It's lab number 5 for DC circuits. Starting from one side, we have our Arduino over here. It's powering this 5 volt and ground, this red and black wire. That's feeding this breadboard over here. And from there we have our button and more power that splits off. So the red and black is our power. It's going to this little strand of cable, and the green is the button, and all that strand feeds down over here on the relay. So this relay was actually kind of backwards from what I'm normally used to. This green wire over here, you can kind of see it connected to IN1, input 1, that's this module right here. So that actually leads back over here into the button over here. See this green wire right here? And when I press the button, it actually opens up this little path between them. And then this side of the button actually goes straight to ground. See this black wire? So when the relay detects this ground signal, it for some reason powers on, which is kind of backwards, but that's just how it's built. So, and then our relay over here, we have the output over here, this fat brown wire over here. These are our little junction splice points. So these junction splice points, they have the brown wire as the input, and you can see 3 other lines coming out of each one. This one is my negative, and this one is my positive. So we have our 12 volt actually right here. This is one of the branch offs. That's actually hooked up to a 120 volt AC. So that's this one. And then this one over here, this branches off to the camera itself. It feeds the camera right there. And then this last one right here, these 2 smaller black and red wires, these feed our circuit board over here, which powers the LED. So we're going to press the button and both the LED and the camera should come on. Alright, so here's our button, and we have our camera situated right there. Here's a little computer monitor for the camera, and our LED over here. So I'm going to press it right now. You'll see the LED came on. And the camera itself shows the camera's on. And now we're going to release the button, and it should shut everything off. Do it again. LED and camera. And as for our voltage test, since this is a parallel circuit, it's going to be 12 volts all around. So we hooked up this little resistor. This is a 500 ohm resistor. This is to kind of simulate attaching a additional load onto the little circuit over here. So when I press the button, it's just going to read 0 volts because there's no potential change between these two, this yellow alligator clip and the green one. It's still all running at 12 volts. Alright. So that's about it for this.